Today's word is association. ASSOCIATION association. Association मतलब संगठन, संस्था, संघ. Association meaning in English is joining or working with another person or group. किसी अन्य व्यक्ति या समूह के साथ काम करने की स्थिति, सहकारिता, संयोग. Let's see the example. We work in association with our New Delhi office. हम अपने नई दिल्ली कार्यालय के साथ मिलकर काम करते हैं. One more meaning of the word association. A group of people or organizations who work together for a particular purpose. संस्था, सभा, समाज, संघ. The National Association of Language. राष्ट्रीय भाषा संघ. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.